Hello friends, here we will discuss tens complement method of subtraction. It is very simple. First find tens complement of the subtrahend and add the result to the minuend. This is minuend and this is the subtrahend. If there is carry, ignore the carry and the carry shows the result is positive. If there is no carry, this indicates the result is negative and in the tens complement. So to get the answer, find the tens complement of the result. Let's take an example to understand this. Here we are writing decimal number. Now we'll find decimal subtraction using tens complement. So to do this, first we will find the tens complement of the subtrahend. To find the tens complement, first we will find the nines complement. So we will subtract every digit from the 9. Here notice that the number of digits of the minuend and the subtrahend should be same. So we are considering this 0 also. Now we will find the tens complement. This is nines complement. And now we will find the tens complement by adding 1 to the least significant digit. Now this is the tens complement of this number. This is tens complement. Now we will add this result means tens complement to the minuend. This is the minuend. We have written this here. Now 9, 5, 8, 3.27. Now we will add these numbers. We can see this one is carry. This one is carry. Now this one carry shows that the result is positive and we will ignore this carry. Ignore this carry. Shows the result is positive. So the result is plus 2511.81. This is our answer. Let's take another example. What happens if there is no carry? We can see this number is greater than this number. So the result will be in negative. 2511.81. Now we will perform this subtraction using tens complement. Now we will find the tens complement of this subtrahend. To find the tens complement, first find the nines complement. To find the nines complement, subtract every digit from the 9. This is 2928.54. Now we will subtract this. This is the nines complement. Now we will add 1 to find the tens complement. So the result is this 7071.46. This is tens complement. Now we will add this tens complement to the minuend. So we are adding this 0416.737071.46. Now we will add this. We can see here there is no carry in this case. So if there is no carry, this result is in tens complement. So to get the result, we will find the tens complement of this number. We can see this result is equals to this result. So the answer is negative 2511.81. This is the answer. We can see this is a negative result. So if there is no carry, the result is in the tens complement and it is negative. If you find the video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.